What's up guys, welcome back to Bake It Better. In today's episode we are going to be making this Italian classic, the tiramisu. Tiramisu stands for pick-me-up, referring to the caffeine in the coffee and the chocolate. This classic cake has layers of ladyfingers and a sweet mascarpone cream. I am a huge fan of this dessert, and I always order it if I see it on a restaurant's menu. Although there are many variations of this dessert, I don't consider it a true tiramisu if there isn't a base of whipped egg yolks in the cream. Because of this recipe can feel a little hectic, but if you're prepared and ready, it's an easy enough procedure. So enough chit-chatting, let's get baking. First, we'll want to make a strong cup of coffee. The stronger, the better. This is for the tiramisu, not for you. Next, we'll sprinkle our gelatin powder over a small amount of water just to bloom. Into the bowl of our stand mixer, we can add our heavy cream. We'll mix this on medium-high until the mixture is just at very soft peaks. We want it to have some body, but still be very soft. We'll set this aside in a spare bowl in the fridge. Next, we can start on our eggs. Into our stand mixer, we'll add our egg yolks. Whisk this on high speed while we cook the sugar. Into our pot, we'll add the water and the sugar. Cook this on medium heat until it reaches 118 degrees Celsius. Using a smaller pot would make checking the temperature much easier, but this is all I have. Once the correct temperature has been reached, we'll slowly stream the sugar into the egg yolks on medium speed. Once all of the sugar has been added, turn the speed to high and whisk until cooled. Once it has cooled down a bit, we can add in our soft mascarpone cheese. Make sure to scrape down to ensure all of the mascarpone is incorporated. Next comes the most important ingredient, the amaretto liqueur. Pour just a small amount into the cream. Once that is all mixed in, we can stream in our melted gelatin. I just melted this for about 15 seconds in the microwave. After the gelatin is all mixed in, we can fold in our whipped cream. Take about 1/3 of the whipped cream and gently fold it into the mascarpone cream. Once that is almost completely mixed in, add in the remainder of the whipped cream. Now we can start to assemble. Start off by placing a small amount of the cream onto the base of the pan. Spread it out into an even layer. Next, take a ladyfinger and dunk it into the coffee. The hotter your coffee is, as well as how long you dunk it for, will affect your final product. Layer the ladyfingers into your pan. Once the first layer is in, add on a layer of the cream. Smoothen out the cream as best you can. Continue layering the ladyfingers and the cream. On the final layer of cream, smooth out the surface until it is nice and even. We can then place this into the fridge to set. Once the tiramisu is set, we can cut out a slice, scoop the slice out and place onto a plate. Dust the tiramisu with as much cocoa powder as you'd like. Serve and enjoy. And here we are guys, the tiramisu. The ladyfingers have soaked up all that coffee and have provided a lovely stark contrast from the sweet amaretto mascarpone cream. This is truly a perfect dessert. I hope you give it a try for yourself. As always, you can find a copy of my recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you back here in my kitchen for the next episode. I'll see you then.